all of this is going to storage. So all this shit was in our bathrooms, in the closets, so that's why everything is so decluttered and so much stuff went to the garbage and recycling. So I'm very, very happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys me decluttering my house, organizing, redecorating. Well, redecorating only my son's room, but I literally spent all day just decluttering and reorganizing. Guys, I have accumulated so much stuff, and so much stuff that we do use, like a lot of baby stuff that I wanted to keep. For example, the rocking chair that we wanted to keep, but we live in a 2-bedroom apartment and we don't have storage here, so we've literally been just like accumulating it in different spaces. So in every closet that we had room in, my mother-in-law, they have a storage room, and they told us, hey, like, you know, go ahead and throw some of your stuff in there, we have a lot of room. So that's literally what I did all today. Cleared out everything that we don't use, toys that had pieces missing, things that we want to use for our next baby whenever that time comes. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. And I also recently redecorated my son's room. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. We also redecorated ours, but that's still in process, so I'm not going to show you that room or our master bedroom, but I am going to show you basically decluttering my son's room, reorganizing and decluttering the kitchen, the guest bathroom, the closet, and the living room storage spaces that we had. So yeah, let's get started. If you're new here, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I make videos all about motherhood and lifestyle. I have an 18-month-old son who is wild, crazy, and yeah, I love making YouTube videos all about motherhood and lifestyle because literally that's what my life is all about. My life revolves around my son, and I love it. Yeah, I use YouTube as a creative outlet to just express myself and share with other moms, either first-time moms or already experienced mom, a few tips and tricks, and just, I don't know, like a YouTube community full of moms is such an amazing thing to have. I loved it when I was pregnant, so I hope you enjoy these videos too. So I wanted to show you guys basically how his room looks right now, like a before and then an after. So we have a changing table right there. You have the dresser right here. I mean, the diaper changing table right here. Some decorations have been there forever. Just dresser, little kitchen, which is really, I don't know, it's cute. So I'm not only redecorating, I'm also reorganizing. So as you can tell, his drawers are like complete mess. I'll just kind of show you guys how everything is. Like, I fold it, but it's kind of just like scattered everywhere now. Yep. Not that it's, you know, so messy. What it is that it's super hard for me to find things now. So what I'm going to do, look at this, it's just ridiculous, crazy. What I'm going to do is refold everything the Marie Kondo method, just because it's so much easier. But as you can tell, he just has so much stuff, like clothes and just toys that either he hasn't used. I actually got rid of most of the clothes that doesn't fit him anymore, but we just kind of throw things in here, as you can tell, because we don't have like a garage or anything. So yeah, I want to reorganize this and make it more accessible for things that I need, because as you can tell, he has clothes that fit him now, but I don't even know what's in here just because everything's just kind of thrown in there. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do here is show you guys every cabinet and drawer in the kitchen. We have things that we just don't use anymore, things that are missing, including Tupperware tops and bottoms. We have things such as a slow cooker that we don't use, mugs, shot glasses, just everything in the kitchen that we don't use I'm going to get rid of and only keep the things that we use on an everyday basis or at least once in a while. My goal here is to get rid and declutter and just make space because it's just driving me crazy. Now I mentioned that my son's closet was really used for storage for things that were in his nursery before that we're no longer using, as well as just like holiday stuff like the pillows. So I'm getting rid of all of that, putting that in storage, and yeah, that's what we're doing here in super high speed. Uma. Uma. You break. You can't go mess up the laundry. So as you can tell, I'm organizing his toys. This is where his toys were before. Now they're all in his room. And then I'm also organizing the two little things that you see right here. I forget what they're called. But yeah, I'm just clearing out anything that needs to be taken out and then organizing it. I'm just super tired and I have to pick up my son from his grandparents. I wanted to just drop him off so I can finish the kitchen, and my camera died in the process, so you're not gonna be able to see me reorganizing everything, but you are gonna get to see like kind of how it looked before and how it looks now. I got rid of a whole bunch of shit that I just don't use. Now, all of this is going to storage. So all this shit was in our bathrooms and the closets, so that's why everything is so decluttered and so much stuff went to the garbage and recycling. So I'm very, very happy. Hi. Are you trying to say hi to everybody? Hi, papacito. Un besito? ¿Quiere un besito? All right, guys, so we were able, hey. So besides that huge pile of laundry there, guys, I was able to reorganize, declutter, and get everything that I needed to get done. Okay guys, welcome to my son's room. The theme in here was really, there was no set theme. I just wanted to really stick to the navy blue, the gray, and little hints of color everywhere. Everything that I got for this room was pretty affordable. I got it from Target, IKEA, some Amazon, some Etsy, a little bit of Crate & Barrel, a little bit of Pottery Barn, but never paid full price. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about where I got the things, I will link everything below. Some of the things like the frame on top of his storage, his little toy storage container, that was from Home Goods, and I love that. That's one of my favorite items in the room. I did want to put his diapers and his wipes all in a very accessible location, and his lotions, and yeah, so just go ahead and take a look, and I will let you guys enjoy it. And I want to show you guys his closet. I want to show you guys his closet now. Everything's organized. Up there, we have clothes that no longer fit him. So when he starts growing out of it, I'm just throwing it in there. His cousin made him this cute little portrait thing for him for his birthday, and a letter. His stuffed animals, I won't get rid of any of them because they all are significant. This one is his cousin gave it to him. I think she won it at a birthday party. Jackets, his vests, his sweaters. Down here, this used to be in the living room, but now that we have his storage room in his room, we put all his toys in there, and we decluttered all his toys, so everything has his place now. And here, it's like stuffed animals. His big, huge monkey that we used for, or that he got for his birthday. This racetrack part is like one of the toys that he's loving right now. The pieces are in his little storage container, but that doesn't fit, so I just put it in there. Now up here, I just stored his humidifier and sanitizer. That's like all asthma related stuff in case he gets some type of reaction or something. Toys that either he hasn't opened or we will open in the near future. Now this storage thing I got from Amazon, from IKEA for like $7. Just a couple of blankets, big blanket, his towel, his sleep sack. Down there it's a few other crib sheets, and that's about it. These are all his toys. What you see is what he has, other than a drum set that he has in the living room. Just a few balls. Yep, that's about it, guys. There's a reason that we don't have a lot of toys for him, because literally I cleaned everything out. He either outgrew it or he broke it, there's pieces missing, and honestly I hate having so many toys, especially when a child doesn't play with them. He's a lot more entertained with different things such as balls right now and cars, and what else? Music. So those are little toys that we're gonna start getting that he's enjoying now. Now I Marie styled the shit out of his dresser, and I got all of these containers from IKEA for super cheap. I even organized his medicines and all his lotions, so everything we have now, it's basically in here if we need to restock the one on his storage container table. So yeah, I'm very happy that we finally did this, because I had never ever done this ever since my son was born. Okay, now the kitchen. On top of the fridge, I organized everything that's basically plastic on top. Down there is just alcohol. Right here, all my mugs and cups are organized. This is all baby's medicines and coffee. All my Tupperware cups, everything's organized in plates here, including baby's cups. These are all my spice racks, my spices. Everything's nicely organized now. Here is things that we use every day, like the measuring cups and scissors. Here is just the aluminum. This was filled with other junk before. Right here, very self-explanatory. All this baby stuff, I didn't take too much time to organize it because we use every day. These are for the table, baby plates, and towels. Now here is the things that I use every day: bowls, juicer, my pans, and underneath the sink, it's all organized and clean now. Yay, I'm so happy to have our living room back and have his toys all in his room now, guys. I also wanted to let you guys know that any storage organization containers or tools used in the video I got from Dollar Store, from IKEA, or Target. So very, very affordable. I mean, I'm super cheap. I'm not about to spend hella money on some super expensive containers. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. I will see you guys in next week's video. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Mwah.